Google beats Samsung and Apple. What's up guys, and behold, the Google ecosystem is official. The Pixel Watch, the Pixel Buds, the Pixel Tablet, the Pixel Budget Champion, the Pixel 6a, and the flagship, the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. This last part was absolutely not expected, but they did. Yes, Google kills the leaks by revealing the Pixel 7 series 6 months before the launch. Imagine if iPhone 14 or Galaxy S23 Ultra was being announced or glimpsed 6 months before. It's crazy, right? Well, Google did it again, and once again they're going to beat Samsung and Apple in one major area. Let's get right into it. So first up, design wise, I'm gonna say it looks beautiful. In my opinion, it's a perfect evolution from the Pixel 6 series design. Instead of having a black camera bump, it's now have a color coordinated bump which looks really good. I'm so happy to see that Google has successfully created their own unique look in the smartphone segment. As usual, we've got beautiful colors for both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. They get 3 unique colors each. As for the camera setup, they're rocking pretty much the same configuration as the previous generation. So 2 cameras for the Pixel 7 and 3 cameras for the Pixel 7 Pro model. The main camera is still rumored to be the same ISOCELL GN1 with that 50 megapixel resolution. Now Google has officially confirmed that they are bringing the next generation Tensor Chip. Google says it will have even stronger AI to improve performance through machine learning and also improve photo and video. Once again, this Tensor Chip will be based on Exynos 2200, meaning that it could also adopt the Samsung Eclipse GPU, aka the AMD graphics. Now the best thing about the Pixel 7 series, the one area where the Pixel 7 series could beat both Samsung and Apple, is the area of pricing. Yes, once again, the Pixel 7 series is expected to rock the same pricing as last year's model, which is $599 for the non-Pro model and $899 for the Pro model. This is incredible pricing, especially if you compare it to the iPhone 14 lineup this year. I'm really confident that Google will deliver the best pricing of the year, which is why you should be excited for this release. The Pixel 7 will come this fall, but for now, the Pixel 6a is here to carry Google's mid-2022. The Pixel 6a is basically a Pixel 6 minus the flagship camera and of course the higher refresh rate display. It's hard to use a 60Hz smartphone in 2022, but then again, if Apple can do this at $900, then why not Google at $449? Would you prefer a budget phone with a flagship chip and a flagship level camera but with a low refresh rate display, or would you prefer a budget phone with a mid-range chip but a higher refresh rate display plus a mid-range camera? I think Pixel 6a is definitely a better deal. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 6a in the comments below. Now the weirdest product was the Pixel Tablet. This is set to come out in 2023 with the latest Tensor Chip, which is nice, but from the looks of it, it looks like a 2014 tablet with those big bezels. I'm really not sure if it can compete with Apple or Samsung's tablet offering with that really outdated design. Then comes the Pixel Buds, which have a nice egg-type design. They're costing $199, beating out Apple and Samsung's Pro Buds offering, and they have active noise cancellation, long battery life, spatial audio support is also coming later this year through a software update. So on paper, these buds look pretty good. And finally, we have the Pixel Watch. We've already seen it in the leaks. It looks kind of nice with that stainless steel and rounded design, that nice tactile buttons. It's running on Wear OS and has all the health features you could expect on a watch. Now we don't know about the pricing yet, but hopefully it will be close or maybe even cheaper than the competition. Now last but not the least, possibly the coolest product was the Google Translate powered smart glasses. These glasses can translate language in real time, which was honestly pretty amazing. They're currently in a prototype stage, so I really hope they bring this out officially to the market. So that's all the latest news. Google has killed the leaks with their official Pixel 7 series. I kinda hope to see a glimpse of their foldable phone as well, but that's something that could be a surprise at the Pixel 7 launch event. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 7 design in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.